Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make my flatbread with basil, tomato and goat cheese. So let's head over to my windowsill so I can pick some of the basil leaves. Okay, so here I have my basil. So I'm just going to pick some of the leaves off of it and wash it so that I can use it. Let's get one more. Okay, so let's start putting everything together. So here I have my gluten-free flatbread. I will leave a link so that you can see how to make the flatbread. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I toasted this, I warmed this in the oven, the flatbread. So I'm putting my olive oil. Then I'm going to lay down my basil. I'm going to cut. I notice I squeezed out all the seeds. The seeds tend to have what is called lectins in it. So I took out the seeds and I also peeled my skin of the tomato because again the skin tends to have a lot of what is called lectins. You can do research on that if you're interested to see what that's about. Okay, so that's my tomatoes there. Now I have my goat cheese, so I'm just going to put out some goat cheese here on it. Okay, like that. Should be good. Okay. I did put a little extra. Okay, nice. And now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on the tomato and the basil. All right, that should be good. And then I'm going to crack some black pepper on it as well. All right, that's it. So there you have it, folks. My flatbread with tomato, basil and goat cheese. I hope this was able to give you an idea of what you can do for yourself as well. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give the video the thumbs up. And of course, I'll be most grateful if you also share the video. That is what will really help me. See you in my next video. Bye for now.